It's a delicious recipe today. Simple, easy to do, and very common. It's a good one. Today I'm going to be making potato salad. I need to let you know something. The reason I did this recipe was, and I've done some potato salad recipes before, but the reason I did this today, I wanted to make a video for my tutorial version, not the recipe version, for how to adapt recipes for our own uses. And so that was what the tutorial was about this time. It's more about that than about the potato salad. But I'm still doing the recipe, so I'm going to put out this video. Today's video is potato salad. If you want to see the extras, you need to see the tutorial. I'm going to be making your standard, everyday, barbecue side type of potato salad. The kind that's got the yellow mustard in it, the mayonnaise, pickles, relish, and that kind of stuff. That kind of potato salad. So, it's an old-fashioned recipe, but it's fun to make and it's delicious. Let me show you how I do it. Come on. Oh, hey, before we go in that kitchen, let me tell you about this guy right here. This is Texas Cooking Today. It's one of my caps. That's what you're watching is Texas Cooking Today, and I sell my merchandise and my recipes on my website, and that's S.A.Trotter.com. So please take a look at that. And there's a lot of other stuff there that looks really cool and you might want it. So take a visit. Thank you for watching this. Now let's get in the kitchen. Let's get busy making some tater salad. Come on. Now folks, there's a lot of ingredients to this, and we're going to look at the rest of those here in a minute. But this starts with the potato, and we need to take these potatoes, get them peeled, and then dice them up. Now I don't want a huge dice. Go with about 1-inch square dice, about that wide, okay? So folks, very simple, small sized dice so they're not too big to eat, and they cook a little bit quicker. So let's get those peeled. I have my potatoes peeled and washed. I'm about to dice them and get them in this pot. I'll bring them to a boil, and that's when we begin the magic. I need to dice up this onion. Go ahead and dice your onion. I like to use a red onion like this because it gives a good color in the dish, as well as also having just good flavor. Red onions really do have very good flavor. They are I think one of the best tasting of all of the onions. So I have a variety of nice little items here. I have some mayonnaise here and mustard. Got some cilantro, sweet relish, green onions that have been sliced. Over there are sweet pickles, as well as some red onion. And of course, the star of the dish are taters, all right? Now, besides a little bit of spice, like maybe some salt, paprika, or anything like that that you might want to throw into it, this is your basic recipe, some wonderful ingredients. You want to cook your potatoes to the point that they are what chefs would call al dente. Now normally with most potato salads that would be overcooking it because they keep cooking, okay? Well, I have a different way of doing things, folks. I'm going to do a cold water bath. So what I have is a colander that in a moment I will take to the sink and pour the potatoes in, water and all. After that hot water's poured through, I'll bring the potatoes over here, submerge the colander into this, and we will cool those potatoes down. And I might do that more than once. I might change the water out, and that slows and stops the cooking really quick. So I'm going to cook my potatoes to al dente, do this the speed cool method, which is this, and then after they cool enough, I'll drain out the water, put the potatoes in the refrigerator and let them cool. And I have a way of doing that too. Normally I put the potatoes still in the colander without any water in there, in the bowl in the fridge, and it cools it down quickly. That makes my potatoes ready for everything else. I've just tested my potatoes. They are al dente. I immediately put them into the colander, draining the water out in the sink. I have nice cool potatoes now, and they're still slightly warm in the middle, but only barely. And as these are cooling, I'm going to make my sauce. I'm going to do it right here in this bowl. Now I have a big bowl here because I want to be able to fold the potatoes once my sauce is made and gently work everything together, okay? I don't want to break the potatoes. They are tender and just right. They should hold their shape but not break easily. The other ingredients I'm going to mix together now to make my sauce. I will taste it. If I wish to adjust the flavors or seasonings, I can do that before putting the potatoes in there, making it much easier. Ladies and gentlemen, I have our sauce and all the goodies mixed together and they taste great. It needed a little salt, so I adjusted that. I have a little bit extra on some of these other items. Don't need that much red onion. About a half of a red onion is more than enough for this. And my potatoes are now cool and ready to go in this. I've just finished getting this all mixed up. It is now ready to go into the fridge, and that way the sauce on that will thicken up a little bit. It'll all congeal a bit, and then after about 2 hours in the fridge, you've got a wonderful potato salad. Okay, so give it some time to do its thing in the chill, and then after that, you're ready to enjoy this. Isn't that beautiful? So you'll know the quantities of everything I used was about 1 cup of mayonnaise. You can use a cup to a cup and a half. Got about 1/4 of a cup of mustard here. I have about a half a cup of relish. On the green onions, I would say be light on those, about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of green onions, and maybe a few extra to sprinkle on the top. The same way on the cilantro, good for sprinkling on the top. We have some sweet pickles, some gherkins, and that is about a little less than a half a cup, maybe a little over 1/3 of a cup. On that onion, we're not going to use all of that. That was 1 medium onion, a red onion, and I'm going to use anywhere from a half to maybe 3/4 of that. So there's your basic recipe, and remember, it all relates to how many potatoes you're cooking, how much in weight. I'm using about 2 to 2¼ pounds here after peeling it. I'm going to get those cooked up now and get busy with our tater salad. This has had a chance to chill and become what it's going to be. I'm looking forward to my tater salad. I love tater salad. There we go. A little bit of garnish on it, always nice to do. There we go, tater salad. I like a potato salad that has a lot going on in it. I like a potato salad where when you bite into the potatoes that look like they should be firm, they just easily burst apart into a gentle mash. Perfect potatoes. And I showed you how to do it. Also, all the other goodies in here, folks, makes for a great, great potato salad. Definitely spot on. You're going to enjoy this recipe. Got some of the pickles there. Carrot, excuse me, pickles, my onion. Can't believe I said carrot. Losing my mind. I got the pickles there, the onions going on there. It's delicious. All blending into a wonderful recipe. Thank you for watching. Please take a look at Texas Cooking Today. There's a lot of other recipes there, some really good stuff. Please also take a look at my website. That's S.A.Trotter.com. You're going to get the merchandise for Texas Cooking Today there. The recipes are on sale there, and also some other really cool looking stuff. Take a look. Thank you for doing so, and Thank you for watching. Folks, you have a good day, okay? Yeah.